Hello, my name is Kyle King, and I'm an intern at Health for Life Counseling in our Ada office. I first developed a passion for counseling at a pretty early age when I would often hold space for friends and family to discuss issues around anxiety and depression and problems they were having either at work, with their relationships, family dynamics, or even traumatic experiences. When I first graduated college around 15 years ago, I entered into the business world where I enjoyed helping people with their personal and family finances, getting into their first home, while increasing self confidence and developing strategies for success in their work roles and in their businesses. But what I really enjoyed about this job was getting to know people on a more personal level, getting to know about their kids, their parents, their husbands and wives, grandparents, even, their problems that they were having in their current lives and their passion for the future. So I made the decision to go back to school for counseling, where I could use my skills and education to help people live a more fulfilling life, work through some of these deeper personal concerns, and better understand how others receive us and how we receive them in this world. Outside of counseling, I enjoy getting involved in things like musical theater, where I enjoy taking on the role of a fictional or real person and really putting myself into their shoes. I also enjoy playing and watching sports like volleyball and soccer and baseball, and joining with my friends to check out new coffee shops or restaurants in the city, and traveling throughout the country and the world whenever the opportunity is available. Through Health for Life counseling, I hope to help youth and adult individuals, couples, and families to work through and overcome some of life's hardest times. I approach counseling with flexibility and want to collaborate with you to find your strengths, to figure out some goals and strategies that work best for you and your lifestyle. I'm here to help. I hope you have a great rest of your day.